Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about something a little bit different. This one doesn't have any 3D action in it. This is simply using a really cool hand landmark detection library from Google. And the result of using it is that you can draw elements on top of hand landmarks, which look like this. There are 21 of them here. And yeah, so we'll talk about how to do this. You can start by going to this page here, Google Media Pipe Solutions /guide. And it's machine learning, artificial intelligence to, in real time, analyze the input from the webcam and return some tracking points, these landmarks that you can do whatever you want with. In this case, I'm drawing yellow circles on top of each one of them. Let's take 30 or 45 seconds to look at the code for the vision stuff and then move on with the fun stuff. I'm going to import the library here, pulling out these two properties. Grab the video, and inside of here, there's an asynchronous file set resolver and a hand landmarker. And tell it I'm going to use the video, and then I'm going to return those. Okay. Apologies for the hand wavy explanation. Now we have the ability to track hands, and let's do something with that. I have a loop here, an animation loop. And inside it, I'm going to clear the canvas. If I didn't clear the canvas, this is kind of what happens. Also a really cool effect, but may not be useful to you. So I'm going to clear the canvas, and I'm going to say, is the video ready? Great. Do you detect a hand in the scene? If so, for each of those points in that hand, draw a point. And here's my little draw point function. Very simple, raw stuff. This time I'm selling it for, set the hue to be some value between 0 and 160 based on which point it is. There's 21 points. I is iterating over each of those, so that's how I get the rainbow look. Great. So we could stop there. We've mapped these colorful points to our hands. Isn't that cool? But I think it would be fun to do some sort of effect with that, and that's what we're going to do next. I've got a particle emitter prepared. I'm going to import that. Then I'm going to set up a mouse position variable, and I'm going to instantiate my emitter, and I'm just going to set the default pose for this mouse position to be the bottom right corner of the canvas. And then I happen to know that the 8th point in there is the index finger. And I'm going to grab, say, hey, wherever that index finger is, set the mouse pose to be there, and now emit something from that position. Kind of like this. How cool is that? If those points are annoying you, you can just turn them off. And now I've just got the emitter on there. And this particle emitter is calculating the velocity. It's saying, hey, where were you last frame and where are you this frame? And then kind of make the particles move with that velocity. Okay. Here's the quick hand wavy overview of this particle emitter. Here's the emitter. The update method just calculates the mouse position and that velocity I mentioned, and then loops over the particles. In this case, I've got 500 particles, and it just updates each particle and renders it. Blah, blah, blah. It's getting some particle options, like, for example, the texture to apply to the particle. And there's yet another library for rendering that individual particle. Looks like this. Just format this. Apologies, I'm not going to go over this. I just don't have time at the moment. But yeah. Let's see, save that. There you have it. You have, using Google's image tracking, tracked the position of a hand, and then picked a point on that hand. And let's move that to, I think the thumb might be 4. Let's see here. Maybe that's 4. Let's see. Yeah, the top of my thumb is now emitting particles. Some fun things you could think of lots of fun things to do, like have each point of each finger emit a particle. I think 21 is the tip of the pinky. Oh, no, it isn't. 20 is. But you could also just stick with 8. There you have it. I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know your comments below. Is there something else you'd like to see? Do you have any questions about this? Leave a comment, please. And like and subscribe, too. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time.